Today we will discuss the topic of how to do car insurance. In getting car insurance in USA is a straightforward process. Here's step by step guide to help you through the process. Understand state requirements. Car insurance requirements vary by state, so it's crucial to know the minimum coverage levels required where you reside or plan to drive. Most states mandate liability insurance, which covers damage you may cause to others in an accident. Determine coverage needs. While meeting the minimum legal requirements is essential, you may want to consider additional coverage options such as collision, comprehensive, uninsured, underinsured, motorist, and medical payments coverage. Assesses your needs and budget to determine the right coverage for you. Shop around for quotes. Car insurance rates can vary significantly between insurance companies, so it's essential to compare quotes. Quotes assess your needs and determines. Shop around for quotes. Car insurance rate can vary significantly with insurance companies, so it is essential to compare quotes from multiple providers. You can do this by visiting insurance company websites or using online comparison tools. Gathering information. Before requesting quotes, gather necessary information such as your driver license, vehicle information, make, model, year, VIN, your driving history, and any other relevant details. Request quotes. Contact insurance companies or use their online tools to request quotes based on the coverage and information you provide. Review policies details. Compare the quotes you will receive considering coverage